Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm extremely sorry for delay in the posting my video. Today I come up with very interesting topic called Ho'oponopono technique. Ho'oponopono technique. So what is this Ho'oponopono technique? Is very simple. The meaning says that to make it right. Okay, this very ancient Hawaiian technique, it's a process of making things right in your relationship, a reconciliation with your friends, life partner, colleagues, neighbor, ancestors, and also ourselves. Okay, this healing technique that allows people to break free of negative thoughts and emotion and that prevent them from being happy and fulfilling their dreams. See, first time when I heard about this technique, I thought it's very simple and I did not care much, to be frank. Until I heard again about this technique, then I thought, let me give a try. And then I realized the power of this prayer. And this technique was found by Dr. Hugh Lin. He was a therapist who cured an entire ward of insane patients. In that ward, the patients were very violent. They were violent to the extreme that they used to hit themselves or hit to the wall. So these type of patients, even the staff used to run away because they were not able to handle them. Organization head went and consulted Dr. Hewlin and he asked for his advice and help. Dr. Hewlin cured all insane patients without ever meeting any of them or spending a moment in the same room. It's not a joke. He reviewed each of the patient file and then he healed them by healing himself. Now today, Ho'opono is part of my life and I managed to get rid of so many things through this technique that I become now, I become like a therapist and advising my friends and relatives to use this technique to solve their problems. So in this video, I will be showing you how the technique works and how you can transform your life using Ho'oponopono. The philosophy behind this practice is that we are each and everybody responsible for what shows up in reality. We are responsible. We own our feelings and our experiences. So even if someone else has wronged us, we are the one saying, I'm sorry, forgive me. See, when errors are corrected externally, errors are corrected internally also. When you cleanse your consciousness, you contribute to the cleansing of the collective consciousness. That means when you forgive others, you too are forgiven because as within, so without. As within, so without. That means loving each other and loving yourself is a kind of same thing. Okay, and this prayer, Ho'opono prayer, why is it so powerful? There are so many successful stories about this technique. I'll tell you an incident which I told my friend because when she came and told me that that her son is not listening to her and very, it's become very abusive and very arrogant, not listening to her, not concentrating on studies. In fact, he was not going to school also. This is just 6 months back, 6 or 7 months back. Then I couldn't tell anything because he was gone to stage, he was hitting her only. He was hitting her, he was hitting the parents. So she came and approached me. So what I told is just use this technique. Because he is not going to do any prayer. He is not going to do anything. So she used this technique to be surprised. I am all surprised and she is all surprised. He became so soft. He changed drastically. He changed his friends. He becoming such a good student and he's studying now and he's got very good marks in exam. It's strange but really true. Okay, so powerful this technique. Even I am using this technique in my life to solve the problems. No, we'll come to the exact prayer now. So you'll ask me, what is this? See, I'm talking so much about stories. I told you now what is this prayer? See, this prayer is very powerful because there are 4 forces at work in this prayer. There are 4 forces at work in this prayer. That is 4 power is working together in conjunction. What are the four powers? Repentance, forgiveness, gratitude, and love. Repentance, forgiveness, gratitude, and love. These are reflected in these four phrases that make up the prayer. So, what are the prayers? The prayers are I am sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. See, when you say I am sorry, sorry is humbleness frequency. And forgive me is also humbleness frequency. And I love you and thank you is gratitude frequency. At higher in the frequency scale, it stands at high. So combination of all this frequency makes this power, make this prayer, combination of all this frequency make this prayer so powerful. See, these phrases which can repeat in order or whichever fashion you want is better if you repeat in order. You can chant this silently to yourself or loud. Okay, but remember the secret of this technique. Remember, the secret of this technique is you need to feel that you're truly forgiving and loving the people. Okay, when you say I'm sorry, it means that 100% responsibility for what is happening in your life. Understanding that you are responsible for your reality. Okay, and second phrase is forgive me. You're asking forgiveness of yourself and forgive others. You open to clear what is causing the problem. And I love you. Third phrase. You recognize that love is the most powerful energy to transform any situation in your life. Okay, I am grateful. I am grateful is a gratitude frequency. Okay, you allow, that means what you're doing, you're allowing yourself to be grateful that this problem is in your life because you have the opportunity to clean up. Okay, you can also direct the words of technique by speaking up your name. You can take the name of person. If you hurt anybody, if you hurt any of your friend or relative, you can take out their name and imagine. So imagine them. You might bring their vision in your front of your eyes and tell that I am sorry. So name the same name. Name them XYZ. Tell XYZ, I am really sorry. Forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Okay. One more thing, it's natural to resist this practice at first, especially if you have got a lot of healing to do. You might feel better right away or feel your evolution like a slow melt into love. This prayer has lot of power in it. Okay, now let's start doing this prayer. Okay, now let's start the technique. To start with, you can sit comfortably with the back straight. To increase the frequency, we'll start vibrating at higher frequency. To vibrate at higher frequency, we need to enhance our frequency. How to enhance the frequency? One of the known method, you all know, Bhastrika. We'll do Bhastrika. First we'll do slowly and then we'll increase the speed of Bhastrika. Okay. Now, I think all of you know Bhastrika. For those who don't know, just see this. Open your eyes and just see first. Make a loose fist. Hands beside your body. Now inhale and exhale once. Now inhale. Exhale. Forcibly exhale through your nostrils. Now do it. Do it fast now. Do it fast. Do it fast. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 6, 7, 8. Faster. 9, 10. Now what you do? Keep your eyes closed and keep your right hand on your heart. Keep your right hand on heart and left hand on your head. Now, just keep your eyes closed. Your left hand on the head, on your top of your head, and right hand on your heart. Close your eyes. Now visualize your mother. Bring your mother image in front of your eyes. Bring your mother's image in front of your eyes and say, I am sorry. I am sorry. Forgive me for whatever things I hurt you. I'm truly sorry and forgive me if I hurt you. And thank you for what all you've given in my life. Today I'm here because of you. My existence is because of you. Thank you. I love you. Truly you can tell, I love you truly. Now, bring your father's image in front of your eyes. Repeat the process. Sorry. Sorry, Dad. Forgive me if I have done any wrong things. And thank you for all the things you have done, sacrifice you have done in your life for me to be in this position. I truly, truly love you. And if you want, you can repeat this 3 times. Now, bring your spouse or a loud person, spouse or son or daughter, and you can say, sorry if I've hurt you and forgive me for all my mistakes. I love you for all the good things you are with me. You're supporting me, for all your support and your encouragement to achieve my success and to be in this current position. I love you. Truly, truly, I love you. Now bring any of your friend you hurt. That friend you bring and repeat the process again. You can tell the name of your friend, whatever the name of friend. Somebody you feel you hurt them, you've done something wrong to them, which you're not able to express in front of them. You can express. You can tell whatever name that, sorry, I have done this to you, which I didn't wanted to do it intentionally, which I didn't wanted to do this mistake or hurt you intentionally. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I love you very much. I thank you. I truly, truly thank you. And whoever friends you are hurt or you have some hard feelings, you can call them. You can visualize their picture in front of your eyes and say, repeat the process. When the process is done, you can open your eyes. Before opening eyes, rub your palm and keep it on your eyes. And also, what you can do is, you can do for yourself in front of the mirror. You can do it for yourself in front of mirror. See your own image in your mirror. Look into eyes of yourself and say that, I'm extremely sorry, but not taking care of this body. You have cooperated with me, with this body. I have done all my work. Today I'm here because of this body. Truly, truly, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Now onwards, I'm going to take care of my body. I'm going to nourish this body, take care and involve this body in good activities, helping others. I love my body. Thank you, and hug yourself. Hug yourself and feel happy. Do this in front of the mirror. Okay? Please do this every day for 5 minutes and feel the difference. Okay? And you can, whatever the difference, you can share it. You can, whatever your opinion, you can share it in my comment section. Okay? Thank you.